Hello, welcome to Invoice Part 8 to pass in Search and Billing. You first go to form, user form pro, property, go show model. Okay, this show model, not forgot. And this now true. This false. Okay, false. And go to this user form, billing form, and show user form 2 property. Go to show model true. Now this is false. To false. Okay. This you not forgot. False. To form show model false. User form show model false. Okay. And okay. One command button here. This is product form. Command button here and name. Go to invoice. Go to invoice, okay, and user phone 2, one command button here, command button, this caption, go to product, okay. Now to command button and go to this user form 2, go to product, this user form, copy user form 1 and go to user form 2, go to command button 2 and paste and sh show. Okay, this code only. Cut the last fixed. Okay, is a steady to now as step. Okay, not forgot user form. This you go to user form from one product form. Go to invoice. And last the user form 2. Copy product user form 1, go to invoice user form, okay, show and user form copy test box test equal test. Now understand me test box 1 test. Okay, code is finished. Now this cutting copy here at last step from study to here. Okay, now this code, okay, user one code, 2 code, okay, now running. Okay, now we are building to a 006 5 product. Okay, now this is code not know what is product. Go to product and search any search, no, any search. Okay, no, this notebook yet. Okay, go to invoice. Okay, drawing book. Okay, go to product, search this water color cake. Go to invoice, press enter. Okay, water cake. Understand? Now here code no problem. Yes, 0 by no. Okay, this code no understand. Go to and search. We are what is wanted to search. Okay, this is geometry instrument is set. Yeah, now go to invoice. Okay, go to select test one. Okay, enter. Okay, instrument set. Okay, now this video wind up. You understand this. Okay, other next video editing and deleting. Deleting, how to edit and deleting this box. Okay, understand this box, edit deleting. Yeah, okay, pending. Okay, cancel. Now please like and subscribe. Thank you watching my video. Okay, now wind up next video.